from Jenny and Teddy. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to make the weekend triangle scarf. This scarf use only basic stitch like single crochet and double crochet, and what you will need to make them is a crochet hook size 6mm and cotton yarn. Is similar to the Lion brand 24/7 cotton. So are you ready to get started? So now we will start a weekend triangle scarf by chain 5. Start with a slip knot first and then make a 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then join the chain to form a ring by slip stitch. So after we have the ring, we will start on row 1 by chain 2. 1, 2. This chain we will count as 1 double crochet, and then after we have chain 2 already, we will make 2 double crochet in the ring. 1, 2, so now we have if we count, we gonna count this one too. So we have 3 double crochet and then chain 2, 1, 2, and make 3 double crochet in the ring. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet. So now we finish row 1. So we have 3 double crochet in here on the right side and 3 double crochet on the left side, and in here we have a chain space. So we finish row 1. Now we have on row 1 finished. We will start on row 2 by chain 2. 1, 2, and turn your work. This chain we will count as 1 double crochet. Now we are on row 2. We make 2 double crochet in the space. 1, 2, so we have 3 double crochet. 1 double, 2 double, 3 double. So we have 3 double crochet in the space here, the starting space. So on the next stitch we will make single crochet. On the next stitch here we make double crochet. On the chain space we make single and double, chain 2 and single and double. So on the chain space here we make single crochet and double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, and make single and double crochet, single and double crochet in the same chain space. So here on the next stitch we make single crochet, on the next stitch we make double crochet, and on the last space here we make 3 double crochet all in the same space. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Now we finish row 2. So basically this triangle scarf we just keep repeating row 2. We keep repeating row 2 until you got the big scarf. I will show you on row 3 again so you can have the idea of it. See you on row 3. So now we finish row 2 already. We will start on row 3 by on row 3 we just repeat the same pattern as the row 2. Start by chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work. So this chain we count as a 1 double crochet, and we make 2 double crochet in the first space, 1, 2. So in the first space we have 3 double crochet, and in the last space we will make the same, like we will make 3 double crochet, so we have the same equals 3 double and 3 double here. So on the next stitch here we make a single crochet. On the next stitch we make double crochet, basically we just keep repeat single and double crochet in each stitch, and single on the next stitch and double in the next stitch, and single on the next stitch, and double on the next stitch. Now we come to the chain space. In the chain space we just make single crochet and double crochet, chain 2 and single crochet and double crochet. So 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet in the chain space, and then chain 2, 1, 2, and make 1 single crochet in the chain space and 1 double crochet in the chain space. See here, single double, chain 2, single double, and on the next stitch we make single, on the next stitch we make double crochet. On the next one we make single. On the next stitch we make double. On the next stitch we make single. On the next stitch here we make double crochet. So remember, on the last space here we will make 3 double crochet, so we equal with the first space. We have 3 double crochet, so in the last space we're gonna make 3 double crochet, so the same at the start. 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet. So now we have little triangle, so you just continue repeating row 2 until you got a big triangle scarf like here. I will measurement of the scarf that I will put on my blog in the link on the description below, and you can add some what do I call this one, a tassel at the end. So it's all done. I hope you guys enjoy this simple and easy triangle scarf. If you have some questions, just write me on my blog or on the YouTube channel here. Thank you for watching. See you on the next tutorial.